first mod we're gonna do. Let me show you guys. These lights right here need to be swapped out for LEDs ASAP. By the way, I put the sticker on the other day for Randy. I think he likes it. What do you guys think? He probably... All right, let's go inside. These are all for me, by the way. All right, so welcome back to my Evo. We're pushing about 400. Hey, look at me. We're pushing about 400 wheel right now. I got a 4G63 in here. Stock turbo, stock internals. Wait, no, never mind, sorry. This is a Subi fully built, pushing 300 wheel. Like I said, first mod is the lights. I'd say the second thing we're gonna do with this car is maybe get a splitter, but you guys tell me if that's what you think we should do. Obviously, we wanna get the wheels swapped out, so we're not run stock wheels. I don't know what this is, why they decided to put this black, but maybe we'll just decide to do the whole car in black. I don't know, we'll just have to see what happens. You guys just tell us what kind of mods you wanna do, and we'll just do whatever you guys say. How about that? Seriously, the more I drive this car, the more I'm like, all right, we should just go trade it back in. No, it's just ridiculous. You guys can see the lights here. I'm really not a fan of this. This is the old look. This is like the 90s look. So we're gonna swap out all these for LEDs, get a splitter, get some wheels. I don't know what to do with this car yet. I really don't. It's pretty much stock. Like the exhaust needs to be welded still. That's like, there's only a few things wrong with the car, but I want to apologize to you guys that we keep vlogging at night because I keep staying up working until like 5 a.m. and then sometimes I fall asleep and wake up at like 4 p.m. And here in Utah, the sun goes down at like 4:30. That's why we're vlogging at night. So tomorrow we'll try to do an earlier vlog, but I don't really even know what to do with this car, man. I'm starting to think we should just get rid of it. I don't really know what to do, you know? What do you guys, should we keep it? You guys comment in below if you think we should keep it. If not, we'll just get rid of it. Simple as that. Simple as that, man. Salute, soldier. Salute.
Oh, damn.
You can smell so much oil, dude. I think it's leaking oil like bad. It's smoking through the fence.
Is it a Euro?
It's a Subi!
That's the one that owned one?
Yeah, you see.
He's like, I love my Subi.
I do love my
I love this thing.
What's up, you guys? I apologize. It was a short vlog today again. We really want to figure out how we're going to start modding the WRX. I really don't know where to start. We do think the Subi is leaking oil. I don't think it's a big deal because apparently that engine was rebuilt and the new engine only has like 4,000 miles on it. So I don't think it should be an issue. But we'll see you guys on the next vlog tomorrow. We'll try to make it a lot better. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one.